Just arrived here at the all-new Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2020 Chrysler 300 Touring Edition that is Chrysler Factory Certified. On the exterior, you'll find heated and power door mirrors, black chrome accents, and bifunction halogen projector headlights. Inside, we have comfortable seating for 5, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and push-to-start technology. The 8.4-inch touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This 2020 Chrysler 300 has less than 38,000 miles, is Chrysler Factory Certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.